So first of all we'll go through laws of indices. So law 1. Right, if you have 2 to the power, some of you have done this before. You'd know this from. Yeah. So if I have 8 to the power 5 times 8 to the power 2, what do you get? 8 to the power of, what do you do? Add the powers. You get 8 to the power 7. Alright, so you know that. So that's law 1. So you add them. Law 2, you're familiar with the division one. So if I have 8 to the power 7 over 8 to the power of 2, that's 8 to the power of 5. So division. Or if I had 8 to the power 9, 7 minus 9, minus 2. How do you write 8 to the power of minus 2? What does the minus 2 do? Okay, so the minus 2 pushes the 8 and puts a 1 on top. Alright, that's the same there. That's the same value. Right, we go on to law 3. Now, what this one says, if I have 8 to the power of 3 bracket 2, I don't add the powers in this case because that bracket means multiplying. So I have 8 to the power of 6. You see that? 3 is multiplied by 2. 8 to the power 6. Right, law 4. Anything to the power of 0 is? 1. So if I have a million, the power of 0, it's 1. If I have anything to the power of 0 is 1. Law 5. So if I have anything to the power of a half, what does a half mean? It means square root. You're used to looking at the square root sign as that. Keep looking up. Square root sign should have a 2 included, like that. So if I have 8 to the power of a third, what does that mean? Yeah, the third root. So if that was, for example, if that was 8, 8 to the power of a third is 2. Hold on a second now. So the next one, if I had 16 to the power of a quarter, it's the fourth root. Fourth root of 16 happens to be 2 as well. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Right, hold on, stay where you are. So just wait for a second. Law 6. If I have 8 to the power of 3 over 2. Now watch carefully here. Right, first of all, forget about the 3 for a second. We'll forget about the 3 for a second. What does 8 to the power of a half mean? Square root of a. Now I'll put the 3 back in. Power of 3. Alright, so for example, if I had 2 to the power of 3 over 2, that is equal to square root of 2 power of 3. Alright, that's law 6. Law 7, I'll just finish these off. Law 7, if I have 8 to the power of minus 2, I just showed you this earlier, that's 1 over a squared. See the minus, what you do is, what I teach students is, see that minus there? Becomes a 1. Alright, see that? Or I can bring the 1 down, and it's a minus. See that? So if I have 8 to the power of minus 2, bring the 1 up, 1 over 8 squared, which is 1 over 64.
So, what was 8 to the power of minus 3?
Minus 3.
Just 8, 1 over 8 to the power.
1 over 8 to the power of 3. Yeah. Alright, that's law 7. Just Just give me 1 minute. Law 8.
You go backwards.
What?
For that one, you go backwards.
Right, you can, yeah. No, this one here. Just 1 second. If I have 2 times 3, watch this. If I have 2 times 3 to the power of 5, that's the same as 2 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 5. Alright, I can break it up like that. And the next one, law 9. If I have 2 over 3 to the power of, again, 5, that's the same as 2 to the power of 5 divided by 3 to the power of 5. Okay?